Casey here with the Lazy E Homestead. We just got the phone call. I have a little surprise that we have to go pick up.
Casey did a
And
thing.
before Steven makes his video, he is fully aware of what it is I'm going to pick up. He knows everything about it. He was there when I purchased. So, just follow along and let's go pick them up. Yay! I'm sure you can hear them in the background, but I'm so excited. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's all moving around clear. Now to get them home. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what 52 chicks look like. So I ordered a Breeder's Choice large brown egg layers. And then they also gave a surprise chick. But being that I have no idea what I ordered to begin with, I'm guessing that little one, you see the one that's eating right there? I think that's the surprise chick, because it's the only one that looks like that one. So, if anybody can help me, I know my box is supposed to be all large brown egg layers. So if anyone can help me identify what it is that I have, please let me know. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every one of you guys. We're so excited to see what all of these little surprises turn into being. Like I said, if you want to help identify them, please do. And like I said at the beginning of the video, do not let my husband fool you. He knew full well of what was coming in today. So, thank you guys and take care.